Um, hey, ladies and gents, hope you're well. So yeah, today we're gonna look at calculating interest using compound and simple interest. Okay. Okay, cool. So on a side note, I'd really appreciate it if you guys do subscribe to my channel. So if you like what you see, please do subscribe and please share that with your friends. Okay, cool. So let's get started. So I'm just gonna say financial maths. Okay, financial mathematics. Uh, Calculating interest. Okay, cool. So I've got a dude called John. Yeah, so John deposits £15,000. Actually, let me put the pound sign there. £15,000 into an account, paying simple interest at a rate of 6% per annum. So, what will be John's accumulated funds? Accumulated funds um, after 6 years. No, no, let me just say 5 years. Okay, so my principal amount is 15,000, and then my time or in years is 5 years, and then my interest is 0.06. Okay, cool. So I'll define the function define, then simple. So P, Y, and then I. Okay, and then the result will be so define. Sorry, create the formula. So P times 1 plus Y times I, and then so print and accumulated funds. So will be and then result. Actually, no. Let me put my pound sign there. So sorry. Then result. Right. So let's calculate that. So my principal amount. So type in simple. Yeah. And my principal is 15,000. And then the time in years is so 5. And then the interest is 0.06. So that's the accumulated funds over 5 years. Okay, cool. Right. And then what I need to do as well is do that as well using compound interest, the same figures. So I'll define my function define, then compound. P, Y, and then I. And then result. So that's equal to so P times 1 plus what? 1 plus I. Then exponentiate in the years. Then yeah, I'll just copy that. So the same amount, so compound, and then 15K and 5 years, and the interest rate of 0.06. So there we are. So John would have £20,073 and 38 pence over 5 years if he's going to use a compound interest paying account. Okay, and then one might think that John can withdraw the money and reinvest it. So say for instance John invest his 15,000 pounds. Yeah, and then over 3 years, and at the same rate. Okay, then does it again, takes that invested money, that 15,000 pounds again. Oh no, sorry, the 17,000 pounds, 17,700 pounds. Then for another further 2 years at 0.06. So you see, so the same period of time, it's going to get 19,824. So it doesn't make sense. So you're better off just using the compound interest paying account. You're just going to gain more. So the interest itself earns interest. Okay, cool. And then, so what I need to do now is just plot a graph, using LibreOffice. So I've got the 5 years. So I'll type in years and simple interest. And then compound interest. Okay, the principal amount is so it's this 15,000 pounds, and it's going to be over 5 years. Okay, so there's a formula there for so I use my B2 cell and then lock that. So the reason of locking that, it just keeps referring to that same cell, and then 1 plus my A3 times my interest is 0.06, 0.06. Okay, so as you can see that over the 5 years, it's going to have 19,500 pounds with simple interest, which is what we got here. Okay, and then compound interest as well. So using the same cell again, so just lock it. Sorry, the dollar sign. Uh, 0.06 over 5 years. Okay, and then so over 5 years, so 20,000, 20,073 pounds and 38 pence, which is what we have here. Okay, and then now just plotting the graph. So let me do it this way. Plotting the graph. So insert chart. So do a line. Okay, so there you go. So let me maximize that. Okay, so yeah, with the 15k, so over 5 years, the compound interest is obviously much better. Yeah, so hopefully this is helpful, guys. And like I said, if you do like what you see, please do subscribe. Do subscribe to the channel and share the video with your friends as well. Okay, cool. So have a lovely day. Bye for now.